Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another USD mining with video. So if you want to know this, please stay with me. Before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Traveling. Has a two-part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this, and other parts travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any information in that video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notifications very fastly. Now I want to share my Telegram, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. If you call money, if you want to increase your mining power, please join my Telegram group. Share your hash card gift card in my Telegram group. Many of the people they are share hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. I also invite to you, please join now and share their open and also I tell you that please come to join that core mining team only 2 days in your hand. So if you join this site, you will get benefit from this site. Okay, core will be mining will be in date 12 December. So I request to you, please join now and keep mining. বিটিএস সাতোশি গিফট কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জে আপনারা অবশ্যই যোগদান করবেন। আমি আসলে এটা খুঁজছিলাম হ্যাশ কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জ করার জন্য। আপনারা অবশ্যই জয়েন হয়ে নেবেন এবং হ্যাশ কার্ড এক্সচেঞ্জের মাধ্যমে আপনারা আপনাদের কোরগুলোর মাইনিং পাওয়ারটা বাড়ায় নেবেন। এবং আপনারা দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন যে প্রত্যেকে আপনাদের হ্যাশ কার্ড এবং গিফট কার্ডগুলো শেয়ার করতেছে এবং তো আপনারাও শেয়ার করুন আর জয়েনিং করুন ভাই। 12 তারিখে এটা শেষ হয়ে যাবে। এর পরবর্তীতে আর কোনো সুযোগ থাকবে না মাইনিং করার। পরবর্তী বিভিন্ন সাইট যখন ওপেন করবে এই মাইনিং নিয়ে আসবে, তার মধ্যে ফ্রড থাকবে, এই থাকবে। আর আপনারা যদি এখন মাইনিং করেন সেক্ষেত্রে আপনার যেন সব কিছুই থাকবে। আর আমার টেলিগ্রামে যুক্ত হয়ে থাকলে আপনারা ক্রিপ্টো রিলেটেড সকল নিউজ পাবেন ইনশাল্লাহ। সো আমি কোর মাইনিংয়ে আপডেটগুলো বেশি দিই, কারণ কোর সামনে একটা ভালো একটা প্ল্যাটফর্মও হবে। সো নাও হাউ টু জয়েন দ্য কোর কয়েন বা কোর অ্যাপ। So come to my YouTube channel and go to my playlist option. Now you scroll down and core mining registration video select. আপনারা এখানে এসে core mining সিলেক্ট করবেন। এছাড়া আপনারা প্রত্যেক ফার্স্ট থেকে প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিও দেখবেন। আর এখানে জয়েনিং লিঙ্কটা আপনারা পেয়ে যাবেন এখানে। So you firstly joining link available here, so you can anyone choose this. So how to join this? If first to last, if you can must be was this, and then you must be verify your face, then come to second option, and how to use this gift card and how to increase your mining 30k. So here is a many 50 invite gift card code here, so you can use anyone. So no more time in your hand. So join now firstly. Another option, Satoshi core mining. Sorry, I to Twitter account, create and Twitter account related information, how to open a Twitter account. That's the related information here. And also how to use this in core app. It's also I practically show you. So another information related how to link hash card, use this core app. So and increase your mining, I will just show you. And another information to card, Satoshi card, how to use this, how to get this, and so try to. And also share you how to add this MetaMask in this wallet, and how to increase your mining power by hash card and gift card. So come now and joining group firstly. Only 2 days is your hand. please join now and keep mining. And which are member joining but could not mining properly, please come to now and joining this site. And because of code will be indeed few after few 2 days. So come now. It's not other app, it's a different type app. So I request you, please use this and come back you and open your mining. Now I go to my main topic. As a new USD based mining site, so you can also join this site. It's very easy. So come to my link, and here is a scroll down. Here is the account number. If you any can join this site. If you American, if you Indonesian, if you Pakistani, and it's Indian, so if Turkey, you must be joining my link. And also fill up this, find out your country, then select this your phone number and type your password anytime, and available my invitation code here. So I also my invitation code in my video description. Now I fill up this and go to this app. You must be now press your phone number and password and now login. So I also fill up this. My login is successful. This site name is Mining Expert. Sorry. So if you joining this site, you get 10 USD bonus and 365 days. If you recharge this option and also keep mining, when you joining this site, you get 10 USD bonus. Okay, so it's good. You can recharge this site. If you recharge, but click this, and it's if you deposit this site, minimum 10 USDT, but its method of TRC20. If you using any other option, USD ERC20 but 𝑏𝑰𝑭𝑚 is not working. Okay, here is a notify to you. Here is the automatic mining option. When you deposit this, click this option. Okay, if you I have no even supplement because of deposit needed. And when you income chart gift mining 10 USDT, 2% daily ratio, and daily payment 0.20, monthly payment $6 and annual payment 73. Okay, that is chart here. Withdraw option. If you withdraw this site, TRC20 address needed, and type your transfer amount and password. Okay, payment must be TRC20, not do it. And also withdraw time হচ্ছে 10 PM to 18 PM UK time, 10 AM to 18 UK time. Okay, so this is a new if you invitation any kind of platform, income, share, also user option. You can also show this user option, income, recharge option, earning, team report, show all everything information here. So you can watch this main topic. If you want to deposit, say if you mind how think you this video available, have a comment in my description box. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.